Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. If you are not giving me a follow, please make sure you follow, like, comment for everybody's benefit. This is another problem I posted. Now, if you look at this problem, it involves indices and exponential. Now, what I used to do here, let's say solution. Now, I want to find the value of x. Now, the first step, let's try to express in this. This is e raised to the power x minus e raised to the power minus x divided by 2 equals 2. Then, now we can see if we cross multiplied, now we have e raised to the power x minus e raised to the power minus x. Then everything becomes 2 is equals 1. Okay, now let's say we divide, cross multiply, then this becomes e raised to the power x minus e raised to the power minus x becomes 2 times 1, this is 2. Okay, now from this point we can say this is e minus, we apply negative index of index, this becomes 1 upon e raised to the power x is equals 2. Now we can say let, or we divide it by 1, we'll find our LCM right away. Then our LCM here becomes e raised to the power x. Then this becomes 1 into e raised to the power x is 1 times this giving you, and you're gonna have e raised to the power x square, then minus e raised to the power x, this is giving you 1 times, then everything becomes 2. Okay, now from this point we cross multiply again. Now we have e raised to the power x raised to the power 2, then minus 1 is equals 2 e raised to the power x. We can say let e raised to the power x becomes m. Okay, now from this, what are we to do? We substitute now. We say this is m square minus 1 is equals 2 into m, because we already letting e raised to the power x to be m. Then we say m square minus 1 is equals, this is 2m. Now we have m square minus 2m minus 1, this equals 0. Now from this point, this is quadratic equations. Let's see, it continues from this point for better understanding. Now since we have m square minus 2m minus 1 is equal 0, we say now we can use the formula method. Let's use formula method. We know this is a, this is b, and this is c. So a is equals 1, b is equals minus 2, and c is equals minus 1. Now we see m is equals plus minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is formula method that we have to use. Then from this we substitute now. Let's substitute and see. What is, we know a is given us, we substitute right away now. You see m is equals, and what is b? B is given as minus 2, this becomes 2 plus or minus the square root of b. Now we have minus 2 square minus 4 into a is given as 1 multiplying by c is given as minus 1, then we divide everything by 2 into 1 also. Then what are we to do next? We just need to simplify what we have here. Then we say 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 square, this is 4, minus minus we have plus, 4 times 1, 4 times 1, it is 4, divided by 2. Now it continues. Then we add, we say 2 plus or minus the square root of 8 divided by 2. Now you can express this 8 just like whenever you're expressing sorts. For instance, if you have root 8, this can be expressed as root 4 times 2. Then the square root of 4 we know it is 2 root 2. So this is how we are expressing it in this form. Then we say 2 plus or minus. Now we already expressing this 8 as this, so we just need to take this one. I will say 2 root 2 divided by 2. Then from this point we can use plus or minus first for us to find the value of m. Now first you can say m can also be as 2 plus 2 root 2 divided by 2. Okay, then if you simplify this one, if you simplify right away, automatically we can say m here becomes, we know 2 into 2 is 1 plus this is 2 into this will cancel, this becomes root 2. Okay, so it means the value of m becomes 1 plus root 2 respectively. But similarly we can also have the other value, that is negative sign, as m is equals 1 minus root 2. But the question says we are to find the value of x, not m. But recall that we already letting, remember at the initial point, we can say finally for us to add the value of x, we already letting us e raised to the power x, we say let it be m. Okay, but now we have m already as 1 plus 2 raised to the power root 2. Then we say e raised to the power x is equals, the value of m we use 1 plus root 2. Then from this, what I do, we apply, we taking the natural log of this e, taking natural log of e to eliminate this e. Then automatically you can see the natural log, that is ln into e raised to the power x is equal ln into 1 plus root 2. Then this ln is cancelling this e, automatically the value of x that we have to find becomes ln into 1 plus root 2 respectively. So this is what we have to find in respect to the problem that we are given. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Love you more.